Hi, this is Crystal, and on this episode of Lowdown While on Lockdown, I'll be going over Arcluce and some of their most popular outdoor lighting products by installation category. The Ray Short 180 is Arcluce's largest recessed ceiling luminaire, delivering over 1,500 lumens out of a 7.5-inch aperture. It has 4 distribution options, a stainless steel trim ring, and has an IK7 impact rating. This fixture is ideal for large outdoor canopies that need to illuminate pathways or building entrances. If you can't recess the fixture but still need a light that packs a punch and also complements the architecture, the Intus can be either suspended or surface mounted like you see here. It's roughly 8 by 8 inches in size, which is relatively small for an outdoor environment, so it will blend into the structure while offering over 4,000 delivered lumens and 3 distribution options. Moving down to the ground, the Stone 25 is a petite in-grade fixture less than 2 inches in diameter. In addition to the 3 distribution options you see here, there is also a flat opal screen version with direct illumination upward, great for a sparkle effect. This fixture is drive-over rated and additionally can handle up to 2,200 pounds of static load. It is IK10 and IP68 and has a companion light called the Thunder 25 for wall or step-riser applications. For a brighter effect, the in-ground Short 180 can deliver almost 1,600 lumens and shares its appearance with the Ray Short 180 from the previous slide. You can create a seamless look between the ceiling and ground lighting with both of those fixtures. On vertical surfaces, the Tula is a versatile and clean direct or bidirectional fixture. Its 2-inch aperture offers an impressive 16 different distribution options, some of which achieved by using the impact-resistant tempered glass accessory that you can see here. The Creon and Creon In can either be mounted to the wall or recessed into the ground. It offers an internal louver for glare control along with a wide range of beams from elliptical to wall wash to suit a variety of applications. It is also available with RGBW upon request. The Compass is one of many ballers that Arcluce has. It offers a unique unidirectional diffuse optic and maintains a dark sky compliance. There are 3 heights available, and they are all IK10 impact rated and IP66. For area lighting, the Zoya delivers a clean and contemporary look that can be mounted on the wall or directly on the pole in either a single or double pole attachment. It has high visual comfort due to its diffuse optic, which is available in 2 different screen options that you can see here. It is also IK10 rated and can be retrofitted onto existing poles. On a smaller scale, the TITO 25 and TITO 55 are IP68 rated and come in 4 optic options. These fixtures are perfect for lighting landscaping, tucking into a canopy, or illuminating small signage. The TITO series is made of AISI 316L stainless steel and fully adjustable. The final fixture I want to go over is the Creon step light. These step lights feature a diffuse face that sits flush with the wall, providing comfortable glare-free illumination with an IK7 rating. They come in lengths as short as under 7 inches and up to 48 inches with the similar Creon In step light. That's it. More information can be found by linking to their website via our line card or by visiting arcluce-us.com. Thanks!